This is what I want. This is what I need.
Looi.
Meet Looi, the device that brings your smartphone to life, elevating your desktop experience to a whole new level.
Looi.
Making full use of your smartphone's hardware and our built-in sensors, Looi can fully sense his surroundings. Sometimes he's a bit mischievous, but he knows where the boundaries are. If he oversteps, let him know.
Hey, Looi, take a break.
Besides interacting with you, Looi also enjoys some occasional alone time. You can try grabbing Louie's attention, but don't provoke him, or he will fight back. You can ask Looi to tell you a joke. The ChatGPT generated jokes never repeat. Or just relax and enjoy time with your new gaming buddy. With Looi, you'll discover countless precious moments you might have missed in the past. He'll automatically select the best angle and capture the memory. Plus, he's very responsive to hand gestures. Looi transforms into a wireless charger for your phone when you're concentrating on other stuffs. It keeps reminding you of important information. Sometimes Looi can get a little scared. Comfort him with a gentle touch to make him feel safe and secure. With Looi, remote interaction with your loved ones is now possible. You can remote control Looi and explore the world from his perspective, and even send animations with hand gestures. All your precious ephemeral moments are now kept by him. Every interaction makes Looi more attuned to you. Ultimately, each Looi becomes unique to you.
Hey, Looi, I guess we'll be stuck here for a bit longer.
With our advanced biomimetic behavior engine and ChatGPT integration, Looi promises endless, delightful interactions that keep you engaged. He's a whimsical little desktop robot, remote avatar, gaming companion, wireless charger, and more. Your phone has always had a soul. It's now time to give it a body. Say hello to Looi.